Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Abdulrahim Kabara, a graduate of Electrical Electronics Engineering. In this channel, you are going to be coming across series of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics-based topics where I will try to simplify problems such a way that students who are finding mathematics especially difficult are going to see it with ease. And also, if you are somebody that is preparing for exams or you want to improve your mathematics basics or your mathematical skills, or you just want to dive into the ocean of mathematical problem solving, then this channel is the right place for you. In this channel, you're going to be seeing step-by-step problem solving skills for mathematical problems, and then you're also going to be finding educational advice, considering the fact that I have spent some years mentoring and tutoring students in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics-based subjects. So stay tuned till my next video. See you there. Bye.